How to set up sleep or wake up alarm in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open a clock app and click on alarms. Now here you can see the option sleep and wake up. Now click on change and here you can set a time. Set a bedtime and set a wake up time like that, and then scroll down and here you can see your alarm options. Now here you can turn on alarm and edit sleep in health schedules. Now here edit sleep health schedules. Now go back and after that click on done. So this is the way to set up sleep or wake up alarm in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.